text analytics and natural language processing, sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity. In the era of big data, companies have access to vast amounts of data that can be analyzed to gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and more. Text data, in particular, is abundant, with social media posts, customer reviews, and other forms of user-generated content being created every day. To make sense of this data, businesses can turn to text analytics and natural language processing, NLP, techniques, such as sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity recognition. In this article, we'll explore these techniques in depth and look at how they can be applied to real-world business problems. What is text analytics? Text analytics is the process of analyzing unstructured text data to extract useful insights. Unstructured data refers to any data that is not organized in a predefined manner, such as emails, social media posts, and customer reviews. Text analytics involves using a combination of statistical and machine learning techniques to analyze this data and uncover patterns and insights that would be difficult to find manually. Text analytics can be broken down into several different techniques, each of which serves a specific purpose. Some of the most common techniques include sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity recognition. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a technique used to determine the emotional tone of a piece of text. It involves analyzing the words used in the text to determine whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. This can be useful for businesses that want to understand how their customers feel about their products or services. For example, a company might use sentiment analysis to analyze customer reviews of a new product. By analyzing the sentiment of the reviews, the company can determine whether customers are generally satisfied with the product or whether there are areas that need improvement. Sentiment analysis can be performed using a variety of techniques, including rule-based methods and machine learning algorithms. Rule-based methods involve using predefined rules to identify sentiment in text, while machine learning algorithms use data to automatically learn how to identify sentiment. Topic modeling. Topic modeling is a technique used to identify the topics present in a piece of text. It involves analyzing the words used in the text to identify groups of words that frequently occur together. These groups of words are then used to identify the underlying topics in the text. Topic modeling can be useful for businesses that want to understand the themes that are present in customer feedback. For example, a company might use topic modeling to analyze customer reviews of a product to identify the most common themes that customers mention. Text analytics and natural language processing, sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity. Topic modeling can be performed using a variety of techniques, including latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, and non-negative matrix factorization, NMF. LDA is a probabilistic model that assumes that each document is a mixture of topics and that each word is associated with a particular topic. NMF is a matrix factorization technique that factorizes a matrix of word frequencies into two matrices, one representing the topics and the other representing the documents. Named entity recognition. Named entity recognition is a technique used to identify and classify named entities in a piece of text. Named entities are words or phrases that refer to specific entities, such as people, places, and organizations. Named entity recognition involves identifying these entities and classifying them into predefined categories. Named entity recognition can be useful for businesses that want to extract structured information from unstructured text data. For example, a company might use named entity recognition to extract the names of people and organizations mentioned in customer feedback. Named entity recognition can be performed using a variety of techniques, including rule-based methods and machine learning algorithms. Rule-based methods involve using predefined rules to identify named entities, while machine learning algorithms use data to automatically learn how to identify named entities. Applications of text analytics and NLP. Text analytics and NLP techniques can be applied to a wide range of business problems. Some of the most common applications include customer feedback analysis. Text analytics can be used to analyze customer feedback, such as reviews and social media posts, to gain insights into customer sentiment and identify areas for improvement. Market research. Text analytics can be used to analyze market research data, such as survey responses and focus group transcripts, to identify trends and patterns in customer behavior. Competitive intelligence. Text analytics can be used to analyze competitor data, such as their website content and social media posts, to gain insights into their strategies and identify areas where your company can differentiate itself. Fraud detection. Text analytics can be used to detect fraud in financial transactions by analyzing the text data associated with those transactions. Content analysis. Text analytics can be used to analyze the content of documents, such as legal contracts and news articles, to extract key information and identify patterns. Case studies. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of companies that have successfully used text analytics and NLP techniques to gain insights and drive business outcomes. Airbnb. Airbnb uses NLP techniques to categorize and tag customer feedback from its website and mobile app. By doing so, the company is able to identify areas for improvement and make changes to its platform to better meet the needs of its customers. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses sentiment analysis to analyze social media posts and customer reviews to gain insights into customer sentiment and identify areas for improvement. By doing so, the company is able to make changes to its products and marketing campaigns to better meet the needs of its customers. Ford. Ford uses NLP techniques to analyze customer feedback from its website and social media channels. By doing so, the company is able to identify areas where customers are experiencing problems and make changes to its products and services to better meet the needs of its customers. JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase uses NLP techniques to analyze legal contracts and other documents to identify key information and reduce the time and cost associated with manual document review. Conclusion. Text analytics and NLP techniques are powerful tools that businesses can use to gain insights from unstructured text data. Sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and named entity recognition are just a few of the techniques that can be used to analyze text data and extract useful insights. By applying these techniques to customer feedback, market research, and other types of text data, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers and make data-driven decisions to improve their products and services. As text data continues to grow in volume and complexity, text analytics and NLP techniques will become even more important for businesses that want to stay competitive in the era of big data.